What's up everyone, my name's Jesse and welcome to my channel. Today I'm finna be showing you guys how to remove the spark plugs on a Cadillac DeVille, and hopefully it gives you the confidence to do it yourself. So let's get to it. Alright, let's start with the front 4 spark plugs since they're easier to get to. First, remove the ignition wire cover, then unplug the ignition wire. Use a 5/8 magnet spark plug socket with a 3-inch extension. A longer ratchet helps too, it gives you more leverage. Once the plug is out, apply a tiny bit of NICs on the new plug threads to prevent it from getting stuck and giving you future headaches. Thread it in by hand first, then snug it down or torque it to 20 foot-pounds. For cylinder 1, you need to remove the AC accumulator out of the way. It's mounted to a bracket. If you're replacing the spark plugs, you don't have to remove this front bracket, but if you're replacing the ignition wire, then the bracket needs to go. There's 3 bolts holding it in place. Now for the rear spark plugs, these can be a bit tricky, not because they're impossible, but because you can't see them, you have to feel for them. I was actually able to get them off from the top, but if you're struggling, you could try going in from underneath the car. Take your time, work by feel, and use the same process. 5/8 socket, NICs, torque them down. And that's it. Spark plugs are done and your caddy should be running smoother already. If y'all found this video helpful, do your boy a solid and hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.